just take this out from the freezer. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it says here stir fry, beef for stir fry. So I'll defrost it first and I will cook it later. These are all the ingredients of my stir fry beef. I marinated the beef and the pan is hot. I put oil. Yes. The beef here, and then I will saute this bell pepper and onion. I will just put it all together. Put this now. Oops. Sesame seed. Sesame seed more. Okay, that's what I think. And that's it. That's all done. This is my beef stir fry. Easy and tasty. Beef stir fry and rice. Put it on top of rice. Yummy. Thank you for watching my show today, guys. My show. I hope you click the bell button, like and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. You have a fantastic day. Wonderful day. Bye.